Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply get logged in to your Amazon account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video. So to do so, you will simply go to your phone and go for your app, go to your Amazon shopping app right there, and as you can see I'm signed out, and you will see this kind of interface, right? So you can see this already a customer sign in option. Tap on that option and then you will add your number or email which is connected with your account. Type in and then tap on this continue option right there, and here you will enter your password. Then once you're done with your password as well, you will simply tap on this option called sign in right there. Tap on it, and as you can see I am simply here logged in here in my existing account right there in Amazon shopping. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.